हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? लेट्स बिगिन विद द रिमेनिंग अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स. आवर फर्स्ट टर्म इज receipts. Receipts are of two types. The first is revenue receipts and the second one is capital receipt. Amount received from the sale of item in the normal course of business is called as revenue receipt. The second is capital receipt. Amount received from source that are not of revenue nature. Example, sale of fixed asset like furniture, building, etc. Our 12th item is expenditure. Amount spent on purchasing of goods or asset. It is also has two types. First is revenue expenditure and the second is capital expenditure. Amount spent on purchasing of goods is known as revenue expenditure. And amount spent on purchasing of asset is known as capital expenditure. The next item is expense. Those items which is incurred for, spent for earning a revenue is known as expense. Here, the two terms are also important about the expense. First is prepaid expense. The expense which is not related to the current year but related to the next year. It means expenses incurred in advance. The second is outstanding expense. Expenses incurred but not paid. It means expenses which are due. Now the accounting terms is over. Thank you everyone.